Click on Create Story. Click on the element. Click on Energetic. Click on Generate Story Framework. Then click on What stage of love does this song represent? First meeting. Click on Create Complete Story Outline. Click on X. Click on Build Persona. Click on Pop. After, click on the element. Next up, click here. Afterwards, click on Create Detailed Persona. Click on X. Click on Build EPK. Click on Solo Artist. Click on X. Click here. Following that, click on the element. Following that, click here. Now click on the element. Click on Generate Professional EPK. After, click on X. Once that's done, click on Plan Content. Next up, click on TikTok. Click on Music First. Click on Daily. Click on Generate Content Strategy. Click on X. Click on Start Release. Click on Production. Next, click on Distribution. Once that's done, click on Promotion. Afterwards, click on Release. Click on the element. Afterwards, click on Stay Active and Engaged on Release Day. Respond to comments. Next, click here. Afterwards, click on Distribution. Next, click on X.